In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Disney gift card to Apple Wallet. So, if you have a Disney eGift card, then adding your Disney gift card to your Apple Wallet is easy. Locate the email that you received when the card was sent to you. At the bottom, there should be a button that says Add to Apple Wallet. Click on that to have the card added to your Apple Wallet, and you should be able to use it for contactless payments at the parks. If you have a physical Disney gift card, there are a few more steps involved. Physical Disney gift card cannot directly be added to your Apple Wallet, but there is a workaround. If you log on to DisneyGiftCard.com with your My Disney account, you are able to store up to 6 Disney gift cards, both physical and digital. You're also able to transfer balances between your stored cards. First, upload your physical gift card, then purchase a Disney e-gift card and add it to your stored cards. Transfer the balance of the physical gift card to the e-gift card, and finally, add the e-gift card to your Apple Wallet with the instructions above. Voila! Your gift cards are ready to use in Apple Wallet. It'll be super convenient to use those gift cards when visiting the Disneyland Resort. I also recommend saving the card number in a notepad app so you can copy and paste it easily for when you use them for mobile food orders in the Disneyland mobile app. And that's it. That's how you add a Disney gift card to your Apple Wallet. Stop.